and welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 13th to the 17th of June 2022 on Monday. Mr. Faku's problems with the loan shark take a drastic turn. Bongani's lies catch up with him. Mike Jr.'s secret is exposed on Tuesday. Kokoko captures a Tati. Bongani has been paid and Miss Matigizela arrived for more money. Sibonga confronts Tati for what she did to Pretty on Wednesday. Mike Jr. turns the knife on Kokoko and stabs him instead. Sondo collapses. Kokoko is nursed through the night and he's alive on Thursday. Kokoko issues the order to kill Mike Jr. and Tati. Zodwa rejects Bongani's breakfast on Friday. Bongani informed the family he's opening a shisanyama at the school. Mike Jr. discovers Kokoko is alive and comes looking for Tati. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.